Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Blue Willow in mobile. So first of all, let me inform you that it's only possible through your Discord account. So you have to install the Discord from the Play Store. Now after installing Discord and creating an account, go to the Discord account and click the message button from the top left corner. Go to the search button and search for hashtag general. This will lead you to your server. Then click the three-line button from the top left corner. You can see that your server is showing off. Now you can see a blue Willow button at the left portion, which is blue color. Click on it, then click any of the rookie, like I have selected rookie 13. Then you have to go to that particular chat, so tap the right portion. You can see a Willow button at the top right portion. Click on it. Now again click the logo. Okay, now click add to server. Now select your server that you have created. Now click continue, click authorize, then click go to your server. Then you can see that it has directed to your Blue Willow chat. Write /imagine. It will suggest you the Blue Willow prompt. Click on it. Now write anything like duck dancing. Click send. You have to wait a bit. Here you can see the picture has been generated. This is how easily you can use Blue Willow on your mobile. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.